G'day guys, Chris Hogan coming to you for AutoGuru here at Mr. Mechanical at Southport. I'm here with Dan, the owner. How you going, Dan?
Good, thanks Chris. How are you?
Great, mate. Great. September 2018 is when you got on AutoGuru. 105 bookings, 31 reviews, averaging 4.7 stars, mate. What's your secret?
Mate, just great customer service. I really like to treat each individual like they're a part of this store and they're like a friend, not just someone that walked off the street. We also offer full vehicle reports. So when a customer comes in and fills that job card in with me, they get that trust and, hey, this guy's really going to look after my car. He's going to check all these things for me. I can drive away from here feeling safe.
Easy to find, centrally located in Southport, like we said. Where are you?
I'm located 54 Ferry Road, right next to McDonald's, guys, and where the big green muffler is on Ferry Road, which you might have seen. We've just jumped on board with the Afterpay, which has been set up by you guys at AutoGuru. Basically, that has just tripled my business. That has helped me so much with customers coming in that might come in for a basic service, spending $99, but hey, I found a few things on your car you need to do. That easily then breaks it up into 4 easy payments for our customers and helps them keep their car retention and their servicing a lot better.
Sensational, mate. So all you need to do, guys, if you want a safe and reliable mechanic just like Dan here at Mr. Mechanical at Southport, just book on AutoGuru, book Mr. Mechanical. Cheers.
For more information about car servicing and repairs, visit autoguru.com.au.